everyone here on the Vtec build. Day 1 of phase 2. I say phase 2 because phase 1's all that research stuff. But right here we see phase 2 test this. We're going to remove everything in the car, all the interior, and we're also going to remove all the exhaust. As you can see here, we've written it all out here. And then we'll inspect the body for any rust holes and some rust and anything like that, and then we'll also drain all the fluids and have the car all cleaned, ready to do Line X. Yeah, I know this is unconventional, but we are going to Line X the whole body in order for structural rigidity, so and to cover up all the rust and make this look all pretty without. It's the I think it's going to be the most efficient way. We'll crack on and update you in a minute. Alright, we are continuing to remove all the interior, and we are also inspecting holes as well as we're doing so.
Hey Alex, what size hole can Line X deal with?
Line X said they can deal with a quarter, anything smaller than the size of an American quarter.
Oh yeah, and what about that one down there then? Can they deal with that?
Hell no.
Oh crap.
Oh dear. It's not too bad, it's about finger size. Right, I think we'll fiberglass that one, eh?
Absolutely.
Is it safe, Dad?
I think so. Oh my god. Look at this. The drop of that field versus the drop of that field. Give indication of your shock absorber.
I think the shock's done, look at that. Look how low that drops. So we got a nice
nice access for it, it's good.
Huh, I wonder why that's not come down at all.
No?
Look at that. Can't even get my fist in there. My goodness. Well, there we go. Just taking a quick little coffee break. What you got there, Dad?
Ah, this is one of my homemade desserts. This is chocolate fudgy brownie, which contains wonderful whole plant foods. There's no sugars, there's no salt. It's all just good, wholesome stuff.
Hey. Excellent.
Oh, my coffee's in an Austin mini cup.
Oh yeah.
The tube was moving there, Alex.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think maybe the fan was blowing it.
And the fan's to blow all the fumes out, right?
Yeah, it's blowing all the fumes out the door, which is good news.
It's great news, because we're siphoning the gas out with the super siphon. Anyway, turns out we had more gas in there than I remember.
Might be a good thing, it might be a bad thing.
Yes, yes indeed. We'll have to...
We'll worry about that later.
Yes, we've been standing here for about 12 minutes.
I wonder why that guy's light keeps coming on.
Because I keep walking in front of the sensor.
Oh. That would explain it.
And it's done!
At last!
Oh my goodness! Yes, and we got pretty close. We're all the way to here. And here is the safe line. Yes, it says if you go above this line, it sets it on fire, as you can see from the sign. A filled jerry can and an empty gas tank, or petrol tank, or what are we saying? Petrol? Gas?
Petrol.
Okay, I'm gonna say gas. You say petrol, I say gas.
Petrol tank. It's a petrol. It's a British
alright.
car.
Alright, you guys put in the comments below, right? Is it petrol or is it gas? There you go, there you go. That's a good argument.
I win.
I know, I win.